Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing .io games, and we're going to be taking turns. We're going to each play a game, and then we're going to together rate it on a scale from 1 to 10 on how fun it is. So I think this is going to be pretty fun. So first, as you can see, we have this website here for all .io games. First up, we're just going to go down this list. So first is Slew that I'll play, and Slew is, I've played it before. It's a really fun game actually, and it's really popular too. And we also have a slow computer.
What's your nickname gonna be? Something that strikes fear into people?
No. I think I'm just gonna have it Kitty Bugs down. If I can spell it. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna be playing until we die, and then the other person will play.
How does this game work?
So, Slew, you use the arrows or your mouse to go around, and you collect these little dot things, and those little dot things make you bigger, and I already died because it's very glitchy. So if you run into someone, you die, and you try to get people to run into you, and when you eat those dot things, you get bigger. You can also press the up arrow or click down on your mouse, and that'll make you go fast, but you lose some of your length.
Size.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna play just one more time.
Yeah.
Okay. Because that was very short and it was very glitchy.
So you want to eat the glowing dots?
Yes, they make you bigger. As you can see down on the screen around here, it says 12. That's my length. So if you see I eat a dot, it goes up.
Some of these dots are different sizes. Does that matter?
Yes. See now this, you can see a line right here. That means someone sped up.
And they left a trail of speed.
Of their length, yeah.
So if somebody else runs into you,
they die. And you get to eat all of their length. That adds onto yours.
So you absorb all their length.
Yes. I always tend to try to head to the middle because that's where all the people are. And mainly where all the length is, because all the people are dying left and right.
How do you know you're in the middle?
There's a little map down here you can see. Right
on the bottom right. I see.
Also, you'll just run into a bunch of people.
Or people will run into you, better yet.
Yes.
So you've played this game quite a few times?
Yeah, I used to. It was really popular in our class last year. See? This is someone's remains. And there's someone.
So you're literally eating someone else's remains.
Yeah,
so you can run into yourself just fine.
Yes. Oh, and I ran into someone.
A very patriotic slug.
I think they're snakes. That's why Slew.
Oh.
So, yes.
So how do you like that game for?
I think it would be very fun. It's just really glitchy right now. And we can't blame that on the game makers right now, because that's just our computer and our Wi-Fi.
It could be our connection.
Yeah, because I played it before on other devices, and it's not glitchy, and it's really fun. So I think that's actually pretty fun. I'll give it an 8, I'd say.
It seems pretty simple, straightforward, lots of fun, and you're actually interacting with other live people who are playing, right?
Yeah, well, that's, I think, all the .io games you are interacting.
Similar.
Yeah, you're interacting. So do you want to play Agario? Which I think is another very popular game. So it's just like Slew, from what I have seen. It's just like Slew, but you're a circle, and you eat these little dots. And if you are bigger than someone, you eat them. I think you have to be like a certain amount bigger than them. And you eat them, but if they're bigger than you and they run into you, then they eat you. So that's how this
Okay,
works.
so I only want to run into people who are
bigger than you.
bigger than me.
Yeah.
Did I already lose?
I don't know what happened. That was weird.
How do I control it?
These mouses, see? That's the edge. You can't go
Can
any
I
farther.
use this?
The arrows? I don't think so. Oh, you got eaten. Jumbo. You can do it one more time since you're still figuring it out.
Yeah, I don't know. It goes so fast.
Yeah, it's faster than Slitherio, I think.
Okay.
10 seconds. So,
How come I'm not getting these? Oh, gotta be right on them.
yeah. I am going to be trying to have a guest once a month. I really try to upload videos once a week, but sometimes I just don't get to it. So, I try to, I'm gonna try to get a guest in my videos once a month. Those green things aren't people. They spawn out those things.
That's the edge.
That they shoot out those things.
Who?
Those
What
green things, those big green things.
Oh, I could run into them.
Yeah, and nothing would happen. They shoot out those dots, I think.
Oh, because it didn't have a name on it or anything.
Yeah.
Oh! Stay away. It's like a bunch of confetti. That's what it reminds me of. There's no map on this one, is there?
In some other versions, I think there might be. But not this one. So, you've never played this one before? Have you played any other IO games?
No.
You're doing pretty good. You've lasted a while. Eat that little guy. Eat the little guy.
But the dad's gonna get me.
People get pretty big in this game.
Well, yeah, because if you're the biggest one in there. No!
Okay.
Monstro!
We only have 15 minutes.
Okay. So,
So,
one more?
might get to 2 more. Here. I think.
Well, that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
I mean, it's simple and easy to pick up, but...
Yeah, you move pretty fast, so I think it's a little harder than Slitherio, in my opinion. So I'd rate it 7.
Okay. I'd go with that.
7.
Is a Giri O3D a similar concept?
I have no idea. I've never played this. So
It's got a little Pikachu going on there.
Yeah, I don't know. Splixio is really fun.
I think I've seen you play that one.
Splixio. I really like Splixio. I think we might just go and play that one after this if we have enough time. So. Can you choose a skin? Let's see. I don't know. Let's be Pikachu. Oh, I'm tiny. Oh, look at this. It's like...
It's the same...
I think it's like the same concept. It's just 3D.
Three-dimensional.
That's actually pretty cool.
And it's got actual physical walls as the barrier. Man, that guy's after you.
It's faster than me, too. I think I lost him.
They should make it so that the larger you get, the slower you move to kind of even the playing field.
Yeah.
Because if you're just the largest one, then what happens?
You just
You
basically
get bored
like
and
eat everyone.
yeah. But how do you get a new leader?
Someone would like go off to the side and eat a bunch of these dots until they've become pretty big, and then
Until they get bigger.
whoa!
Well, how did that happen? What happened there? How
I
did they
don't know.
split?
I think you like hit a button. I've seen that before, but I don't know how to do
Split.
it.
Spacebar. Right there.
Let's try that. Let's try it. I think you have to be a certain size to split. Oh no. Yeah, because I can't do it right
Can't do it
now.
yet.
Yet. These looks like little gas tanks almost, the red ones. Like,
Whoa!
palm!
That's a big one.
This is actually, I think this is pretty.
I'd say this is better than regular Agario.
Yeah.
Because of the 3D concept, and you can change the skins.
And there's actual walls. And
Yeah.
I'm going to go right in between you.
You're just asking for it. It does seem like those larger ones do move slower than you are. So that might be one way they level the play. Can you split?
Oh! I split!
You split off, so they ate one of you.
Yeah. I split.
So it's a defensive move?
Or offensive. I guess you could like shoot half of your body out at a really little guy.
But then do you control both with the same controls?
Yeah, I think so. Let me eat some more and see. It worked. I'm trying to just get these little things.
Bulk up.
That tree scared me. This is my first gaming video, so I hope you like it. Okay.
I do like it.
Hey! Look at this! They just run into each other. That's kind of cool. I think you can do that in regular Agario also. I'm pretty sure.
Can you split again, I wonder? And have
Yeah, if
once
you get big
that
enough.
size?
Whoa, I think I just...
Ah. Did the spacebar bring them back together? No?
I think I just...
Maybe it's just for a certain amount of time.
Maybe. Well, I think that's enough time for this game. I'm gonna go play, so...
What would you rate this one, though?
I'd say that this... Let's get looking. This would probably be, I'd say it's a bit better, so I'd say it's like an 8.
Yeah, I'd go with an 8.
8, yeah. So, I'm going to, cut ahead, and we'll be back, and we'll play a little short round of Splixio, and then we can end from there. So, alright, we're back here, and it's Splixio time. My favorite. Purple.
Okay, so there's a map of the world that you're in on the upper left there.
Basically, yeah.
So how does this one work?
So you go around and you... See, I just got hit by someone.
If your line is intersected,
Then you
you
die. And... Yeah, that's it. So...
But it looked like, so if you close in your trail, then you
capture
block
that.
you
capture that block.
Okay. And you want to get the biggest space.
Yeah. So I'm gonna... There's an ad, so I'm gonna... Wait, skip this ad. Really? I just died again. As soon as I cut back in.
Oops.
At least there's no ad, I don't think. Hey, no ad. Okay.
So you captured that space.
Yeah.
So do you try to just capture a little space at a time? Or
That's
you go
my strategy,
big?
kind of. Or, like, see here, I can, like, just fill in these areas. I try to get, like, a square object. Sort of.
So it seems safer to do little space at a time.
But
it